Hi friends, I'm Tyagraj. Once again, welcome to Tally Spotlight knowledge sharing session. Today we are going to know about special price on Tally ERP9 Silver rental license for CAs. It's an initiative by committee for members in practice. CA staffs and practitioners, they're working from different locations due to pandemic situation. This offer may helpful for them for completing financial year auditing. We are going to cover special offer in detail, next online purchase procedures, and finally key points. Before going to detail, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe our channel to get more future updates. Let's see special offer in detail. This offer is applicable only for CAs who is having auditor edition or multi-user license. 50% discount on Tally ERP9 single user rental license. This rental license valid only 6 months. We can renew that license once after 6 months in the same scheme. CA can able to purchase maximum 5 license by using this offer. This special offer valid till 30th September 2020. If you want to purchase rental license in this offer, you need to go through online purchase. Let's see online purchase procedure. Once get into the Tally Solutions site, click on buy. This is for new customer. If you want to buy a new package, if you go for single user, you can see 18,000 is cost plus tax. Here rental means click on rental. So per month rental is 600. If you want to go for quarterly, you can click on quarterly. It will be 1,800 cost you. And for 12 months 7,200. This is excluding tax. Get into resource option. You can able to see there is an option called rental offer for CAs. Click on rental offer. It will show you the message. Tally ERP9 single user 6-month rental license available at special price. If you click on terms and condition, you can able to see the terms and condition disclosed here. Most of the points we are already covered, but 4 more important points you need to remember. And that first point is, in case you are using Tally ERP9 multi-user in your CA firm, you are not using auditor edition. If you want to avail this benefit, you need to send a mail to support@tallysolution.com. The second point is, in this special offer, so maximum 5 rental license you can able to purchase it. In case is any further requirement, you can drop a mail to support@tallysolutions.com. In case if you are misusing the license, Tally have a right to deactivate your license without any notice. Tally Solutions Private Limited or Institute of Chartered Accountant of India reserve the right to withdraw or modify the offer and terms without any notice. Now if you are interested, then you need to enter Tally auditor license number here, means nothing but serial number. Click on check the eligibility. Now I am entering here single user serial number, check the eligibility. It is showing error message because I am not eligible for this special offer. In case your CA firm you are not using auditor edition, for more details you can contact Tally Solutions. Now I am going to enter some valid auditor license number here. Check eligibility. It will immediately validate, and after validating it will go to the next page. Here you can able to see number of rental license. By default is a 5. We are mentioning which mail ID we are going to register it, how many license you are going for. Here we are going to enter 4 license. So each license, if you want to define individual mail ID or one mail ID you want to register all other license, you can select it based on your convenience. Once click on proceed to buy, it will move to next page. The next billing screen, it will show you each license cost you 2124. It is including GST. Means actual cost is 3600 plus tax. 4248 is supposed to charge. Now the 50% is calculated for each license. Means 1800 plus tax. 18% tax means it will show you 2124 per license. Means 4 license it will cost you 8496 rupees including GST. Next you need to fill that your billing information. Select that payment mode. Click on I agree and proceed. It will go to payment gateway. There once it enter the payment details, proceed. License details it will send to your registered mail ID as well as the primary account of auditor license. Let's see key points for rental license. Tally Solutions facilitating CAs or CA staff or CA practitioner to do work from home. If you are misusing the license, then the Tally Solution have a right to deactivate license without any notice. You are CA if you don't have a auditor license, you are using Tally multi-user, then you can drop a mail to support@tallysolutions.com. Tally Solutions Private Limited or Institute of Chartered Accountant of India reserve the right to withdraw or modify existing offer and terms and conditions without any notice. If you are CA, if you are interested, you can go for this offer or you can share the information to your own network. I hope we have shared some information to you. You may like this video and share with your friends or your own network. Please subscribe our channel and click on notification bell. Thank you for watching Tally Spotlight knowledge sharing session. Stay tuned, every day something new to learn.